So if you don't have the money to replace all your windows, should you just do section by section, piece by piece of your home? In my opinion, the answer is no. So obviously it sounds like I'm biased. You know, the old saying, the guy with the hammer only sees nails, the surgeon only sees surgery, whatever that saying is. But at the end of the day, when it comes to the windows and doors in your home, it makes a lot more sense to get the whole job done in one shot. There's a lot of different financing options that we offer, state-run programs, credit-based, non-credit-based, secured, unsecured. There's a lot of options that can do a lot of things, that can achieve a lot of things, such as getting your whole home protected in one shot. So when it comes to these projects, I think about 3 types of costs. We have financial costs, we have emotional costs, and we have time costs. Starting with time, obviously, if you do the windows over 3, 4, 7-year period, you're just losing time. When it comes to emotional, you have to think about the amount of time and energy, effort that goes into doing this project 3 to 4 different times. Let's just say we did the front, back, left, right, done. There's an emotional cost that goes into meeting with the different companies. Or let's just say you end up going with the same company over and over. Now, the emotional cost that a lot of people don't consider is preparing for installation, signing permits, waiting for the windows, the dust, the cleanup. All these things create additional stress that I feel like is unnecessary versus knocking out the whole job in one go. And then when it comes to the financial costs, what you have to think of is remobilization. So any company, if you went with 4 different companies to do all 4 sides of your house, you're going to have 4 different companies mobilize. You're going to pay engineering fees. You're going to pay permit costs. You're going to pay permitting fees from the municipality that you live in. Those costs alone can cost you thousands of dollars every single time you sign a contract to take care of a part of your home, versus what I like to think about is, you know, if I did my house in 3, 4 goes versus just one shot with financing, are those finance fees going to be canceled out by the remobilization, by the permitting, by the permit fees? At the end of the day, I feel like those two will cancel each other out, and then it comes down to emotional. So when it comes to the emotion, what's going to be a bigger strain on your emotions? Is it going through 3 to 4 projects or just getting it all done in one shot? And then obviously for time, it makes a lot more sense just to get it done all in one shot. So at the end of the day, it comes down to the homeowner and the homeowner making educated decisions. We're here, we're happy to educate homeowners, present some options that may be a better fit for you. If you'd like more information, check the link in our bio. We'd be more than happy to come. At the end of the day, we're here to serve. Bigfoot Roofing and Windows, building trust, one window, one roof at a time.